Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how and when you can enroll in the ACA, otherwise known as Obamacare, and I'll explain the special enrollment periods and how you can qualify for them. So if you're curious about getting covered through Obamacare or what the ACA has to offer, then this video is going to be for you. And also, if you prefer personalized assistance, everyone's eligible to get a free consultation. If you want to know more, check out the number on the screen or down in the description below. Now, Obamacare, also known as the Affordable Care Act, is a comprehensive healthcare reform law enacted in the United States that aims to make healthcare more accessible and affordable for people and families. And the typical time to enroll in the ACA coverage is during the annual open enrollment period, and that's going to be between November 1st and December 15th of each year. During this period, you can apply for a health insurance plan through the health insurance marketplace, either online, by phone, or in person. Now, to enroll in the ACA, you'll need to fill out an application that includes information about yourself, your household, and your income. You also may be eligible for financial assistance to help reduce the cost of your health insurance premiums. After completing your application, you can browse and compare the different health insurance plans available in your area. These plans vary in terms of price, coverage, and network of healthcare providers. It's important to choose a plan that meets your healthcare needs. And if you'd like to check out the full list of essential benefits, or if you want help throughout the entire process or want to see what other perks you may be eligible for, go ahead and call the number down in the description below or on the screen. Now, if you miss the enrollment period, you may still qualify for special enrollment. These periods allow you to enroll in ACA coverage outside of the enrollment period if you have what's defined as a qualifying life event. These events include losing a job based to health insurance, getting married or divorced, having a baby, adopting or placing a child for adoption or foster care, moving to a new area that offers different health insurance options, or losing eligibility for Medicaid or the Children's Health Insurance Program. And during the special enrollment period, you typically have 60 days from the qualifying event to sign up for a new health insurance plan through the marketplace. Now, it's important to note that eligibility and specific enrollment details may vary, so if you're curious about the benefits you may be eligible for, I really do recommend that you take advantage of a free consultation by calling the number on the screen or down in the description below. And so that's going to be it for today's video. Let me know if you have any comments or questions down below, and I'll do my best to try and answer them. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.